AgroAcres low-cost agriculture services. We from AgroAcres have a great vision to provide services in agriculture on low costs. Our focus is to use drone technology in the field of agriculture to help farmers in spraying, tracking and monitoring their crops, resulting in the increased yield. With an easy-to-handle, self-designed drone, we began realizing this vision in late 2017. Now 2 years later, AgroAcres providing services of spraying, live view and crop health monitoring in different areas of Pakistan. Now we have more than 20 employees who are providing services and analyze data for future analysis. In agriculture, spraying is necessary, but the old methods are time-taking and expensive. AgroAcres provides services at low cost for spraying, crop health monitoring and live coverage of crops. Future analysis of crops also done by experienced professionals by recording data of live streams. We providing services by drones, which works much more faster than others. It completes its work in less time in an efficient manner. Asif would be impressed. His crop's growth is much better than other in his area. Today, many sophisticated customers put their trust on our services. We will be happy to welcome you.